In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you and how can we perform the time series forecast on the we sustainability and financial metric on Amazon SageMaker with the help of the SAP Federation Machine Learning without moving the data or replicate the data from SAP Datasphere to the Amazon. So basically, we'll show you the 5 steps. So the first step is we're going to see how can we establish a connection from the Federation Machine Library to the Datasphere and retrieve the wish transaction from the Naked model we have seen just now. And the second step, since the time series forecast here we're going to perform is the for the next 12 months, therefore we will need to pre-process the data by aggregate the wish metrics by the calendar month. Therefore, we can forecast by the month for the next 12 months in this case. And then the next step is we're going to apply the time series forecast using the PDM Arimat, auto Arimat for the forecast on the metrics for the next 12 months. And then when we have the forecast result come back in, then we can check the result and plot the result to have a look. And if we are happy with the forecast result, and then now we're going to write back the forecast result to the table in the open schema of the Datasphere. And then therefore later on, John above, they can having the forecast for the next 12 months on the we system or financial metrics. To note that this demo we're only using the Arimas. Basically, you having any other to do the time series. Basically, the auto Arimat is a kind of wrapper on the Arimat, and then which is automatic to apply to search the optimal Arimat model in this case. And either you can using another machine library like neural network and so on and so forth. And then the sample we see here is just time series forecast based on our storyline. And however, you actually you open the whole door to assessing the machine learning capability by the Amazon SageMaker in this case, any kind of a scikit-learn or any kind of a neural network you would like to hear. So here we're just seeing the time series forecast. So the first step is we're going to install the required library, such as Federation Machine Learning for the AWS, as well as the PDM Arimat. The next step is we're going to import the library, database connection, connect to the Datasphere, and then the pandas, numpy as usual, and then as well as auto report from the PDM Arimat. So step number one, we're going to establish the database connection to Datasphere and retrieve which transactional data from the analytical model in this case by getting data with the headers and specify the table name analytical model table name here, and we're retrieving one. It means we are going to retrieve all of the data in this case, and then we will showing the data. Let's give a go. And then now, as you can see, you have been familiar with this data format already. So we have in the transaction, the timestamp, and then the wish volume, green guest house, and cost, and also the category dimension, facility dimension. And the next step, we will need to rename a little bit the dimension for the cost category, and then the wish in this case. And as a result, it has been renamed. And then let's check the result is in, and if any noun value, likely none. And then let's have a look at the data type as well. All looks good to us.